What's up, moneymakers? Let's talk about cash, growth, and Spaceship. You've probably heard the buzz, right? Spaceship, spaceship, spaceship. But here's the burning question: how much dough do you actually need to hop on this investment rocket? Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm broke, but I want to be rich. Well, good news. Spaceship isn't just for the fat cats. It's designed with regular folks like you and me in mind. So, let's dive into it. There's no strict minimum investment amount to start your spaceship journey. Yep, you heard that right. You can kick things off with as little as $1 if you want. That's right, one measly dollar can be the start of your investment empire. But, let's be real, $1 ain't gonna make you a millionaire overnight. So, while you can start small, it's important to consider your financial goals. If you're aiming to build a substantial investment portfolio over time, you'll likely want to invest more regularly. How does it work? Spaceship offers a few different ways to invest. One-off investments: you can chuck in any amount you like, whenever you like. Feeling flush? Drop $1,000. Found a $20 bill in your jeans? Invest it. Regular investments: set up automatic transfers to invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. This is a great way to build wealth consistently without even thinking about it. Roundups: this feature allows you to round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. It's a sneaky way to save without really feeling the pinch. But what about fees? Good question. Spaceship is pretty transparent about its fees. There's a management fee of 0.5% per year, which is deducted from your investment returns. Plus, there are some brokerage fees for buying and selling shares, but these are usually pretty minimal. Is Spaceship right for you? Now, Spaceship isn't a magic money tree. It's an investment platform, which means there's always risk involved. Past performance is not indicative of future results, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. It's essential to do your own research and consider your financial situation before diving in. Spaceship can be a great option if you're a beginner investor looking for a low-cost, hands-off approach. It's also suitable for those who want to start small and gradually build their investment portfolio. The bottom line: Spaceship has removed one of the biggest barriers to investing, the minimum investment amount. This means absolutely anyone can start their investment journey. However, the key to success lies in consistent investing and time. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Stay patient, stay invested, and let compound interest work its magic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.